One herb I will never use if I have mucus stuck in my lungs is elecampane. This herb is a stimulating expectorant, so it helps thin out stuck mucus in your lungs. So, no thanks, because I'd much rather let it marinate and turn into pneumonia. Super fun! It can also help clear excess mucus from the digestive system, which can sometimes lead to acid reflux. So I'll be sure to steer clear of this herb because that rising fire in my chest and throat is just a whole party. That burn really makes you feel alive. So if you have excess mucus and phlegm built up, be sure you never, ever use elecampane.